Beyond London's hustle and bustle is a fascinating part of Great Britain few know well. A land of verdant green hills, villages carved of stone, spectacular palaces and remarkable castles, including one which has garnered international fame. Welcome to Highclere Castle, the real Downton Abbey. Come on in. The library, familiar to television audiences as Lord Grantham's private study, is an immaculate home for more than 5,000 books. One of the most fun things in this room is its secret door, leading to my favourite room in the castle. Known as the music room, its walls are adorned with 16th century Italian embroidery. Also familiar from the series are the spectacular saloon and the elegant drawing room. With privileged access to Highclere Castle, Viking offers a special experience here. Every room, every display speaks to this castle's fascinating past. No room more surprising than the Egyptian exhibit, which includes numerous artifacts and a priceless sarcophagus.
She's from about 3,500 years old or so.
The collection is from the 5th Earl of Carnarvon, who together with Harold Carter discovered the tomb of King Tut. An impressive grand palace experience unfolds before you at Blenheim Palace, where you can immerse yourself in room after room of priceless treasures. This immaculate UNESCO World Heritage Site was the seat of the Dukes of Marlborough and the birthplace of one of the most recognised leaders of our time. This is the room at Blenheim Palace where Winston Churchill was born. And over here, we have his baby vest, a tiny vest for a great man. Outside, the finely detailed gardens are a lovely place to stroll. Brought to life by Lancelot Capability Brown, who also created the gardens at Highclere Castle, Blenheim's landscape is the epitome of English design and even includes a bridge that once had 30 rooms as part of these pristine grounds. In Oxford, exploring the hallowed halls of Oxford University is fascinating.
Karina!
Hello, Patrick. My friend Patrick never tires of sharing this place of rich history. The University of Oxford is the oldest university in the English-speaking world and has been attended by Nobel Prize winners, kings, presidents and prime ministers. The university is actually a collection of 38 individual colleges. It's an intriguing world where every monument, every building has a story to tell. Beyond the university, at the Eagle and Child pub, you can step into the creative space of some of the world's greatest authors.
It was in this very room that C.S. Lewis and J.R. Tolkien and a group of their friends, who were known as the Inklings, used to meet to talk about the books they were writing.
The Ashmolean Museum is another of my favourites. It began as a gallery of portraits and curiosities, with a catalogue being written by the janitor. It soon became the model of the modern museum.
It was the first purpose-built museum anywhere in the world, and now it is the oldest museum in the world.
And it's free, I hear.
It's free now. It wasn't when the Ashmolean opened in 1683.
And what did it cost then?
Hard to say, because there was no entry charge. There was an exit charge instead.
So the longer you stayed inside, the more you paid on exit.
That's right.
Very clever. Outside of Oxford, the quintessentially English Cotswolds are home to fairy tale landscapes and villages that have changed little over the centuries. Rural Britain is fascinating, and we can't wait to share its treasures with you. Our Explore More extension package makes it easy and utterly relaxing. There's never been a better way to explore the British countryside than with Viking.